Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to make a traditional recipe, spaghetti alla carbonara. Now, in the United States, this has become a heavy cream sauce that just is too much. I'm going to make a traditional version. This version, just the basics, that's all you need. You got egg yolks, I've got Parmesan, I've got some garlic, some bacon. That's all it needs. So we're going to start this recipe off by crisping up our bacon. Oh, by the way, I got a pot set to boil. You'll need that for the pasta. So we'll get our bacon in there. And we'll start crisping that up. So while we're doing that, let's start seasoning the water. Looking at a lot of cookbooks, they say that you should use whatever amount of salt per pound of pasta. That doesn't make sense because you're seasoning the water, not the pasta. So you're seasoning the water is seasoning the pasta. So if you got, say, 1 teaspoon for a pound of pasta in a quart of water, yeah, that might be about right. But if you're putting in 1 teaspoon and you're using a gallon of water or 2 gallons of water, you're going to be way off. You're not going to have your right amount of salt in your pasta. So what I do, I just eyeball it. I'm probably going to use about 2 tablespoons, but I'm also going to taste it. Tasting is bacon cooking. You should try it sometime. We'll just let that go till it all crisps up. Once that's boiling, we'll get the pasta in. I'll be back when we start that. While we're cooking, remember, like, share, subscribe, smash the notifications, leave a comment, do all those things. Remember, sharing is caring. Okay, our bacon is crisped up nicely. So I'm going to take it off the heat. I'm going to drain a little bit of the fat off. I've got quite a bit in here. I'm going to drain off some of that. Be right back. I got 2 cloves of sliced garlic. That's going in with the bacon. Off the heat. There's plenty of heat in this pan and in the oil to continue to crisp up this bacon and to cook that garlic. Now, we'll move this over here. I'm also going to move my draining rig over. And you'll see when I go to drain the pasta, I'm going to do it a little bit different. Most of the time you're just going to like dump it in there and let it all drain out and stuff like that. I want some of the moisture on the pasta. And you'll see. Oh, this is coming to a boil. In goes the pasta. So while that's going, let's make our sauce. First thing I did, this morning I cooked some bacon off or whatever for breakfast. Oven's still warm. I put my bowl in there. Because I don't want this bowl to be ice cold. I want it to have a little warmth to it. Okay, cup of Parmesan. This came off one of these, grated with one of these. not the stuff out of the can. Four egg yolks. Fresh cracked pepper. We're going to be using a lot of this. Let's stir this up and make a paste out of it. You'll notice I didn't put any salt in here. Why? Well, there's salt in here, there's salt in that bacon, there's salt in the parm. I'm gonna hold off to wait till, I go to serve it before I figure out whether I need more salt or not. But for now, I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. Okay, your paste should look like this. Now all we have to do is wait for this to cook and we'll finish this plate off. Pasta's almost ready. Let's give it a check. You don't want any crunch. You want to be able to bite into it and then just have it wash away. If it kind of sticks to your fillings, it's got a little more cooking to do. This is perfect. Turn off our pan. Before we drain this, I'm going to take a little bit of the pasta water just off to the side. You may need that, you may not need it. So let's drain this. So, like I said, I didn't want all the water off of it. I want to keep some of that pasta water on it. And then just stir this and make a sauce. Let's add our bacon and our garlic in. And stir this until it's nice and creamy. All the sauce is incorporated into the pasta. There we go. Let's plate this up. I like to take a set of tongs and just twist on pasta. There we go. So let's see, what does this need? So what does this need? Well, definitely more black pepper. A little shaved parm would be nice. Oh, to get this, take a potato peeler to your block of cheese. Let's see what else. Glass of wine, that'd be nice. Okay, this is Chef Jerry. This is tradition. Tradition isn't always bad. I'll see you next time.